Guys, what? I'm gonna get one. Well, I think it's in the charger. All right. Well, guys, today is a good, awesome day because, the charger? I'm at the Trailblazer. That's out of gas. I'm gonna move it off the Flex. But, guys, I'm going to get another project car. But first, let's look at this car here. My brother cranked it up. Things still sound great. And it still runs great too. But forget about that car. I have 200 bucks. I'm gonna get a car. So let me look and see if this car has a chain. And I think it does have one. I can't find my chain. Where is it? Where's my chain? Huh? Hey, my fucking van sucks. Oh, messy in here. Here, oh, you gotta get high in here. Let's go. What is up, YouTubers? And today, here we go. This is days later because I couldn't review it the same day because we had very, very terrible weather, so I couldn't review it. But this is the new project that I have just bought for 200 bucks. It is a 2005 Ford 500, and the reason why I got it cheap is because it has a messed up motor. Let me see if I can try to crank it up so you can hear it. All right, so this is what it's doing. They have, that's all it's doing. And I'm not gonna keep doing it. 215,000 miles. And I bought it because I love these kind of cars. They're huge. They are big cars. And I think it's bigger than the Dodge Charger. What you think? But I bought it for 200 bucks. And don't worry about the engine because I am getting one from my local A&A Auto here in Bradenton, Florida. So Duratec, this is all-wheel drive. This is all-wheel drive. And it does have like little sun spot to cover in Florida. The interior isn't too bad, which I will be maybe doing a detailed video on it. But otherwise, it's very, very clean. Very, very clean. This window was down, so it got water right there. So yeah, the wheels are fairly new. All-wheel drive, as you can see. But yeah, I'll show you the trunk. This is a huge car. What is all in here? Got lotion. Ew. What stuff? Got the oil thing. Got some shoes over here. Whatever that is. The mask for your face. Got a battery. Got a head thing. Do have the spare tire, which is nice. Let's go inside of it again. See what we can find. Let's see what we got here. What is all this? It's got lotion. It's hand sanitizer. Got keys. You got quarters. The car's already paying for itself. What is that? Disinfectant. Took the spark plugs out, and the spark plug things had a lot of oil in it. It is getting spark. Didn't check the rear oil. I mean the rear spark plugs. So I don't know. Maybe I will like tear it. Well, not tear it down, but like take the thing off that intake manifold and go to the back spark plug and see if any of those are getting spark. All three of these are getting spark, but the spark plugs are filed down really bad. So they can be. I can rule out a lot of things. Spark meaning that the timing is on. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you don't have spark, that means the timing is off. So really, just correct me if I'm wrong. Who knows? But yeah, in the comments, let me know what you guys think. The car has spark. The spark plugs has the oil in it, but I cleaned it. The spark plugs are filed down, like really, like they're like new spark plugs are gonna need to be in it. So just let me know what you guys know. The oil is good in it, but I noticed that it doesn't have coolant in here, and the coolant light was on. So, but overall, the body of the car is in great condition to me. Other than like the spots right there, like the body is straight. There's not like big dents in it or anything. The window doesn't go down. Like I said, we live in Florida, so those are two different colors, but I'm pretty sure that can be buffed out. Maybe don't tell nobody that told you. But yeah, this angle is good. So yeah, but yeah, this is the predecessor of the Crown Victoria, the Grand Marquis. So yeah, got the Ford Mondeo front end on it. $200. You can't beat $200. And plus, I do have an engine that we'll be getting from my local, like I said, A&A Auto, Bradenton, Florida. So guys, check them out if you live in Florida, in Bradenton. But yeah, it's really dirty here. So okay, there's a water bottle. So therefore they probably had like a coolant problem. So what I'm gonna do is try to put some coolant in it and see. All right, so let's see if that light will turn off, the coolant light. All hands on deck. Alright, so I got the engine broken down, and all these got sparks, so I'm gonna try to turn it over again. I just want to make sure all of them got spark. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, you heard it here first. As I did try to start it, and I want to check spark, and it does have spark, but come to find out, well, not come to find out, I already knew that even though it don't show up on here, the rear heads are gone. Well, the gasket is bad, so instead of rebuilding the engine, like I said, I'm going to get that engine from my local A&A Auto. But there's water and oil on these two cylinders right here, so has a dead giveaway that the heads are gone and it is leaking. So yeah, stay tuned for that. One day I'm going to start breaking the engine down, this one right here, but I don't want to do it right now if I don't have the engine. Like I did the Charger, I didn't know, so now I know I'm gonna break this engine down as soon as I get the other engine. So yeah, Ford Fusion, I mean Ford Taurus, Ford 500, that's the same thing, Ford Montego. So yeah, this is the new project that I am repairing, restoring. So I'm gonna wash it real quick, so I'll be back with you guys in a minute. And here goes the final product. She has cleaned up very, very well. I am going to have to get like in there and deep. Let me open the door for you. I will have to get in deep with like a scrubby thingy. And you can see like little spots like all over here. Then on the seat, it's not bad as it was. It was really, really dirty. But overall, she cleaned up fairly nice. $200, everybody. See? She cleaned up very, very well. I am gonna have to find some center caps for it. Sarasota badge is gonna have to come off. I hate dealership badges on my cars. But yeah, like I said, I'm getting a new engine, and this one got a blown head gasket in the back. The front ones are good. Like there's no water in these. Like I said, the back ones have the two back, the ones over here have water in it, so that sucks. That's why it lost compression. So yeah, but overall the car is good. But yeah, this is where it's gonna be until I get the engine, and then when I get the engine, then you can go along with me taking this one out and putting a new one in. Hopefully if I get new cameras and stuff. So that will be it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. So thanks for watching.